McDonald's restaurant in different countries from 2023. In back 1954, a man named by Rocky Corey discovered a small burger restaurant in California, US, and wrote the first page of our history. From humble beginning as a small restaurant, we will proud to have become one of the world leading food service brand with more than 36,000 restaurants in more over 100 countries. What is the story of McDonald's? Starting Mitchell Catherine as a businessman Rocky Corey, the first, despite the story of his creation of McDonald's fast food restaurant chain, which eventually involved forcing out of the company original founder to take control with convincing ruthless. Our mission, McDonald's mission statement, to make delicious feel good moment easy for everyone. The founder, feature of this true story of show, Rocky Rory played McLaurin Catherine, selling salesman for millions of people in different countries. As the following, like that in El Salvador, 19 food chain, Azerbaijan as well 19, and Paraguay as 19. Bahrain 20, Vietnam 22, and Kazakhstan 2022. Slovenia 23 restaurant McDonald's. Lebanon in the Middle East country 23 restaurant. Uruguay 25. Oman as well 25. Greece is a European small country, has 25 outlets of McDonald's. Belarus in the neighbor of Russian Federation have 25 outlets of McDonald's. Ecuador 25 as well. Serbia 30. Dominican as 31, and Jordan as well 31. And Slovakia has 35 McDonald's outlets. Bulgaria, European country, Bulgaria has 35 outlets. Croatia 39 outlets. Peru 40 food chainlets. Morocco has 53 outlets. Costa Rica has 24 food outlets. Panama 57, Qatar 63, Kuwait, Gulf countries has 65 outlets, and Finland 67, Pakistan has 72 outlets. Restaurants, Chile has 77 restaurants of McDonald's. Norway 79 restaurant, Romania 84 restaurant, and the Belgium, European countries 85 restaurant. Guatemala 95 restaurant, Ireland 97 restaurant, Hungary 98 restaurant, and Ukraine as 103 restaurant. Czech Republic 110 restaurant, Egypt 114 restaurant, Venezuela 133 restaurant, Singapore has 136 restaurant, United Arab Emirates have 137 restaurant, New Zealand has 166 restaurant, Portugal has 175 restaurant, and Switzerland, most beautiful country of European side, 179 restaurant, Israel 185 restaurant, and Colombia has 185 restaurant. Sweden, European countries at 191 restaurant. Austria has 195 McDonald's restaurant. Argentina 2022 restaurant. Indonesia has 2024 restaurant. Thailand has 240 restaurant. Turkey has 253 restaurant. Netherlands has 159 restaurant. South Africa has 275 restaurant. Malaysia has 282 restaurant. India has 300, more than 300 restaurant in all over the India. Saudi Arabia has 304 restaurant. In Mexico 402 restaurant. Taiwan 413 restaurant. South Korea has 447 restaurant. Poland, European country, has 496 restaurants. Spain has more than 500 restaurants and is all over the country. Italy, 640 restaurants all over the Italy destination. In Philippines has 655 destination restaurant. Australia 981 restaurant. Brazil has 1031 restaurant. Ukraine 1421 restaurant. Canada 1458 restaurant. France has more than 1500 restaurant. Germany has 1536 restaurant. Japan has 2900 restaurant, and China more than 3,500 restaurants, and USA, most biggest country, has more than 13,000 plus restaurants. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and share this video. Thanks.